So in 2008, when I first started Topline, I didn't necessarily picture exactly how it is right now. Remember, I didn't have a gym, I didn't have my own facility, I didn't have equipment, I didn't have any clients. So when you first start off, you're not actually going to be able to visualize exactly where you're going to end up. And I always visualize myself succeeding and being able to help a lot of people. But when you first take that first step, it just doesn't look the way that it does as you continue, as the process evolves, as you evolve as a person. And that journey that I took as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, to just take the first step and get started is the same exact situation that all my clients end up in, right? They don't all start off with that vision of exactly where they're gonna end up. They don't start off with that vision of how they're gonna look and how they're gonna feel at the end. But what they have to do and what I encourage them to do is the same thing that I did, which is take the first step. You might have to do it with a relationship, or you might have to do it with your money, or you might have to do it with your body, or you might have to do it with college or anything that you're getting into. And you never know exactly where you're gonna end up. When you start school, you don't know exactly what degree you're gonna end up with. When you start a relationship, you don't know exactly if it's gonna pan out or not. And there's that uncertainty there. But what will alleviate that is taking the first step, which is taking the action. And that evolution of yourself, that evolution of your personality, your mindset, your energy, and who you start to become as a person is what will end up shaping how you end up. So all the people that I've been able to serve and coach, I didn't know I was gonna meet them. I didn't know I was gonna be put into situations with people that I was gonna be the person that they called when they were thinking about ending their life and have to talk them off the ledge. I didn't know I was gonna be in that leadership position. And I don't think anybody ever does know exactly where they're gonna end up. But oftentimes that fear of where they think they should be, or where they think that they should end up, or the fear of not knowing prevents them from starting. And I wanted to give you permission. Like I always say, I gotta try and give people permission, because they don't give themselves permission to take the first step, to take the first client, to take the first opportunity, to just take that first step, to get your first workout in, to have that first conversation, to go talk to that girl that you want to talk to and just have a conversation. You don't have to know where it has to end up. You don't have to be married in your mind before you go do it. Just take the first step, because eventually 10, 11 years later, you might start something beautiful like we did with this gym. The gym is amazing. Not just the physical gym, but the people that we get to work with and the opportunities that we have in front of us to serve people and help change people's lives. And I think that that is what Topline is all about. And who knows where we're gonna be in a year, 2 years, or 3 years. We'll be in the same facility, we'll be in our own facility, we'll be in Arizona. Those are all the questions I ask myself as an entrepreneur. But it all starts with the here and now. It starts with what we do right now. It starts with how we evolve and how we approach these situations that we're in right now. And where we take those is what's gonna set up the stage for what we do in the future. So while you have to be thinking about it when no one's around, you have to try and advance where you're gonna be. And if you wanna get in shape, you have to think in your mind, oh, I wanna get in really great shape, but maybe I'm not in great shape right now, but I just have to get going. I have to do something, I have to start. So with all the athletes I get to work with that I never thought I'd be able to work with, and all the people out there that are just trying to get in good shape, it's an amazing opportunity to have. It's something I never thought right off the bat that I'd be able to do. And who knows where it's gonna go, but you just have to keep plugging away. You have to keep hitting it. You have to keep getting after it and take the opportunities as they come and just maximize them. And let yourself evolve organically so that you don't put all the pressure on yourself to have it all figured out when you first start. And I think that's one of my biggest takeaways from when I first started and didn't exactly know, had no clients, had no understanding of business, no gym, nothing like that, to where we are now with the big facility and with all the people and all the opportunities that we have in front of us. I never take it for granted. It all started with a dry erase board, a bank account, and just passion. And I think that that's, if you can start from a place of passion, or you can start from a place of purpose that you feel that you have deep inside of you, that anybody can start to make progress, and anybody can start to get better and become the person that they're gonna be. That's the main mission, is who are you becoming every single day? And with every opportunity that presents itself in front of you, are you getting better and evolving and transforming yourself into the person that you've always wanted to become, or are you going backwards? And I think that that's just one of those things I've been thinking about lately, and I know a lot of you guys out there are thinking about is, if I want to start something, how do I start? If I don't know exactly where I want to end up. And I think the thing you have to do is just start, just get moving, start pushing yourself in the right direction, and good things are going to come after. Just keep grinding, do what you got to do, wake up every day, take a step, as we say, stack a brick, and over time, you'll end up building yourself and building up whatever business or opportunity you're trying to get into something bigger than you ever imagined.